What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Insta360 is now on board with us. This is actually being recorded on an Insta360 as well. If you guys don't know who Insta360 is, I definitely recommend you go check them out. They make the baddest 360 cameras on the market. They also have like a fully modular GoPro, I don't want to say GoPro, but GoPro style camera as well. You can click together like the 360 attachments on it, use a regular lens if you want. It's pretty sick. This is what I am extremely excited about though, because I've seen some really cool 360 videos, and I've been really wanting to do some, especially mounted off the back of the tail like this, because it looks like super video game-esque. So we'll see how that goes. We're just gonna go out and ride around a bit. The weather is overcast today, but it's not raining. It's gonna be raining all this week, so I was like, we gotta get out and get one more ride in, and I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. If you guys want to get this Insta360 camera, the link will be in the description below, or if you follow me on Instagram, which I'll put right here in the corner of the screen, you can go to my Instagram, click on my link tree, and it'll automatically bring you to Insta360's website. I'm also working with another company. They make armored pants, armored hoodies. I have their armored pants on right now, and it's a nice way to still be protected but be able to ride on the street, provide you with some actual protection rather than just going out in street clothes, or the opposite of that, which would be putting a whole suit on that is just completely unnecessary. Is my bike like unusually loud right now? It is so sketchy how much this camera moves around. And I have it safety wired and zip tied as well as the hard mount on, but I mean, it's still pretty unsettling to see it flap around like that. Trying to get this rear foot brake to work for me. Good brake. California has been getting absolutely pelted by rain the past few days. Actually more so like the past few weeks. So they put up all these nets on the side of this road that I've never seen before now, and I mean, like, it looks like there's like a layer of mud almost across this road. I don't know if the camera was picking it up, but once it rains in California, the roads go to crap and absolutely nobody knows how to drive. So nice out today. Wow, a bunch of surfers. It's popping today. I'm like biking second. Yeah. I need cruise control.